Hello, money savers. Join us on an insightful journey, the road to saving $10,000 in 6 months. We will guide you on how to successfully manage your finance in just 10 minutes. Throughout this journey, we'll traverse the expansive world of personal finance to reveal the intricacies of money management. We'll decipher the budget blueprint, where living within your means is not a constraint but a superpower. We'll simplify the impressive figure of $10,000 into achievable monthly goals. We'll avoid the debt trap, equipping ourselves with the knowledge to beat credit card debts and emerge triumphant. We'll explore the art of revenue enhancement, discovering the captivating worlds of side jobs, blogging, and credit card mastery. The expense cutter will be our tool to eliminate unnecessary expenses and observe your savings flourish. Lastly, we'll enter the realm of online safeguards, securing your wealth with online savings accounts, and embarking on the thrilling journey of stock investment. And let's remember, this journey isn't just about piling up wealth, but also about sharing it. We'll discuss the joy of giving, appreciating the impact of philanthropy, and letting generosity steer our financial decisions. Get ready, money savers. This is going to be a thrilling journey. Stay tuned to learn how to save $10,000 in just 6 months. Before we start, join our community. Imagine being at the forefront of financial evolution, up to date with the latest money-saving tips and investment strategies. Feel the exhilaration of uncovering new methods to bolster and grow your wealth. It's quite the thrill, isn't it? Well, you can be part of it all. Here's how. Smush that like button if you're all set to dominate your financial goals. Drop a comment below and let's get this financial brainstorming underway. Remember, every financial expedition is more enjoyable undertaken with others. So, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become an integral part of our ever-expanding community. And lastly, to make sure you're never left behind on any of our financial escapades, ring that notification bell. Let it be your lighthouse, guiding you towards financial triumph. Don't be absent from this vital content. Together, let's conquer our monetary goals, one informative video at a time. First, let's talk about budgeting. The concept of living within your means should be understood like a superpower that sets the stage for any financial journey. It's the bedrock of your economic stronghold. Here's the twist. It's not about confining your wishes, but rather about coordinating your expenditures with your beliefs. Consider this. The higher your savings, the lesser you are required to make. Now visualize a scenario where every dollar has a task, every penny a duty. The plan: distribute your earnings into distinct sections: shelter, nourishment, amusement, and of course savings. Don't forget, each section has its own restriction, its own frontier. Don't allow your wishes to dictate your purse strings. Instead, let your financial plan be your compass. And when you apply this strategy, when you spend according to your means, you will see that you are not merely getting by, but prospering. So why wait? Begin your journey today. Welcome the mastery of budgeting. Employ the vigor of financial control. Awaken your inner wealth champion. Introducing the Financial Alchemist Calculator. This remarkable tool holds the key to reshaping your financial future. Picture having $10,000, a plethora of opportunities to be explored. Now let's break down our savings goal. If we divide $10,000 by 6 months, we get a monthly saving target of approximately $1,667. At first, this might seem like a sum, but don't worry. With the right strategies, this saving target is entirely achievable. Observe how $10,000 can be feasibly divided into manageable monthly amounts. Next, let's talk about credit card interest. Imagine it as your biggest adversary, lurking in the shadows, ready to ensnare you. It's crucial to understand how interest works and the havoc it can wreak on your financial health. Remember, the trap is easy to fall into, but you can avoid it by promptly paying off your balances. Become aware of these lurking dangers, arm yourself with knowledge, defeat the credit card monsters, and emerge victorious. Now let's talk about increasing your income. Have you ever thought about taking on side jobs? It's an effective way to broaden your income sources. What about your hobbies into a profitable venture? If you love writing, for instance, blogging can be a lucrative channel to boost your income. Or maybe you're adept at using credit cards. Leveraging rewards and cashback can be to your advantage. There are countless ways to increase your income. So don't just restrict yourself to one source, go ahead and let the money roll in. Next, let's cut unnecessary expenses. These are the hidden foes in your financial journey. Like invisible monsters, they chip away at your savings. But fear not, you can slice through these expenses. Start by identifying things you don't need: the daily coffee, the unused gym membership, the impulsive online purchases, then them from your life. It's not about denying pleasures, but about making thoughtful choices. Every cut, you're not just saving money, you're building wealth. Watch your savings grow stronger. Now let's talk about online savings accounts and stock investment. In this digital era, the concept of a treasure chest has evolved. It is no longer held in a physical vault but is transformed into online savings accounts. These accounts offer superior interest rates and more convenience than traditional banks, making them an excellent avenue to grow your wealth. And there's more. The stock market. It might seem like a complex maze with potential gains and losses, but let me assure you, armed with the right knowledge and tactics, you can successfully navigate this labyrinth. So consider opening an online savings account or venturing into stock investment. Finally, let's talk about giving back. The true essence of wealth as we trek through the universe of financial wisdom is found not only in accumulation, but also in sharing. About contributing back to your communities, endorsing causes you believe in. This encourages a cycle of prosperity that rewards us all. Keep in mind, it's not merely about the money you amass, but also the lives you touch. So, let generosity guide your financial journey. Congratulations, you've made it through our guide to saving $10,000 in 6 months. You've learned the art of disciplined budgeting, evaded the perilous depths of credit card debt, and scaled the summit of income increase. But your journey doesn't stop here. Don't forget to click the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel. Hit that bell icon to ensure you don't miss our latest updates. Stay tuned for more practical financial tips and tricks with The Daily Rebirth. Thank you for accompanying us on this enlightening adventure. We've journeyed far together, starting from understanding the basics of budgeting to conquering the daunting task of avoiding credit card debt, and finally to the empowering act of increasing our income. The voyage has been insightful, full of learning and growth, and we're grateful for your company. This is The Daily Rebirth, signing off.